Yo, what is going on, everybody? Stock Apples Jack here, bringing you another video. And today we are going to be discussing Cybl. I'm bringing you an updated video this week on what has gone on in the Cyberlux community and business. So, as you can see, currently today wasn't a bad day at all, down just roughly 1%, and it's almost at a price of 5 cents once again. There has been news today, yesterday, the day before, and we're going to get into it all right now. So, as you can see, released on October 26th, Cyberlux Corporation secures a $4.5 million in new financing to accelerate the company's Operation Alpha growth plans. As you can see, the company partners with RB Capital Partners to provide the growth capital needed to fuel the Cyberlux strategic roadmap and revenue outlook, recently detailed in the company's investor relations presentation. And you can look at my old video there as we went over the IR presentation. But as you can see, RBC Capital and Cybl structure the funding as a premium to market fixed price convertible note that can only convert to common stock at 25 cents per share. They're almost guaranteeing it's going to get to this price. But of course, it's really not a guaranteed, but they're basically saying with the convertible note, they only get the stock if it reaches 25 cents. As you can see, a significant premium to the stock's current price of just under 5 cents per share. This debt is obligatory, convertible on or before the 24-month maturity date in October 2023, and additionally, RBC Capital is prepared to provide up to an additional $10.5 million in further funding on the same terms as the share price continues to reflect their growth. But as you can see, the company's Operation Alpha plan has three top priorities: driven growth through aggressive business development, acquisitions, and joint ventures, address new target markets with Cyberlux products and technology capabilities, and accelerate business growth with new products, new projects, and new strategic IP development. And you can find all of that. We're after discussing all of this, that growing rapidly within the next few years, within the next really 24 months, up to 20 plus acquisitions expected to occur, or at least being done in review. It's just incredible. But continuing on, as you can see, this was posted yesterday. To confirm, we will be making both the personnel and acquisition announcements this week. The personnel announcement was announced today, so that would lead the acquisition announcement probably tomorrow or Friday. More than likely Friday, because they tend to seem to like to put out news at the end of the day Friday. Of course, it's not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence when buying these stocks. But this acquisition has been in talks for a little while now. Last month they talked about how this pipeline acquisition was going to be announced at the end of October, and it seems to be true. They seem to be on target with that date, which is big for a company, to keep their shareholders intact, which they have. They've put out a tweet almost every single day. But now, let's discuss the personnel hiring. So they announced Miss Sherry Nolan as strategic advisor to accelerate company's growth. This is not normal for an OTC stock to be hiring this level of expertise in personnel. As you can see, with over 40 years of executive experience, Ms. Nolan has had a very distinguishable career, serving in the office of the White House Chief of Staff, several appointments to the Department of Justice under 5 Attorney Generals, including Senior Advisor to the Attorney General and the Deputy Assistant Attorney General. And I want to get to one point here. As you can see, she's managed a high-intensity drug trafficking program. She's directed more than $230 million in program, which results in the more effective drug control efforts from local, state, and federal law enforcement agencies. And as you can see, she previously served as Deputy Assistant Attorney General in the Department of Justice, deploying, that's right, you see that right, $3 billion in grant funding to state and local law enforcement and nonprofit organizations. Ms. Nolan was responsible for both development and implementation of numerous public policy incentives. This is important. So she brings DC capabilities and connections that are absolutely essential to be successful with the U.S. government, particularly in the UAS, advanced technology, infrastructure, and software markets Cybl are driving. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content, and of course, have a great day, everybody.